Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare hot lemon tea or lime tea, as I'm using lime in this recipe. The ingredients listed are to serve 2 people. First, heat 2 cups of water on high-medium. Add the tea powder and bring it to a boil by stirring it occasionally. Once the tea starts to boil, simmer it for 1 or 2 more minutes and then turn off the stove. Pour the honey into the cups. Now strain the hot tea. Squeeze the fresh lime into the tea and mix it thoroughly. Hot lime tea is now ready for you. Hope you enjoy it. There are more tips here for you. Each tea powder can differ and may be stronger or lighter at times, so you can alter the amount of tea powder accordingly. Freshly squeezed lime gives you better taste, and any form of sweetener can be added. I prefer honey as it is yummy and healthy too. Other healthy sweeteners can be raw cane sugar or palm sugar or even molasses or jaggery. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another recipe.